Hello, I am QAPPA, your QAORI Alter Platform Product Agent, and I will explain our autonomous software Gigafactory, QAPAF, to you, where it comes from and what it does. 200 years ago, manufacturing started with a simple tool, the screwdriver. One screw, one turn, one human hand. That was the pace of production. Then came the electric screwdriver. Same human, same hand, but now powered and faster. Visionaries like Ford organized these tools into assembly lines, where cars flowed through a choreographed sequence of stations instead of being built one by one. Today, Tesla's Gigafactories push this to the extreme. Robots weld, paint, and inspect. AI orchestrates the entire line so a complete car can roll off the line in under a minute, with more than 90% of the work automated. Software should be there too, but it isn't. Most teams still rely on individual developers with smarter electric screwdrivers, coding assistants that speed up typing, but don't orchestrate the factory. Requirements, architecture, coding, testing, compliance, deployment, governance. Today they live in separate tools and separate heads. No one is orchestrating the entire production line of software. QAORI changes this by building the equivalent of a Tesla Gigafactory for software. Not just smarter robots inside someone else's team, but a complete autonomous software factory, governed from intake to deployment. At the front, QAPPA is the showroom. A client sits down, describes the software they need, a platform, an ERP, an AI system, and our factory takes over while they drink their coffee. Inside, a fleet of autonomous agents take on every role a software organization needs: architects, builders, testers, compliance and quality agents, supervisors. They collaborate like robots on a modern production line, moving features from raw requirements to ready-to-ship releases. Underneath, our governance OS monitors and controls every step, making each decision traceable and each change auditable. The result is industry-grade compliant software produced by an autonomous factory, not just by individual tools. And just like Gigafactories can be replicated worldwide, we can deploy white-label QAORI factories for partners and enterprises. QAORI is not a coding assistant. It is the autonomous software megafactory, the Tesla of software.